I've marked out the wall, avoided all the studs, because I feel like a lot of people are going to put in the wall with no stud. If you have to go for a stud, I recommend using what they give to you, but I'm not going to go into any studs, so it's just going to go straight into the gyprock. I'll screw them in and we'll come back. Just thought I'd show you guys how easy they are to use. Just for the last two. Start it off. They go in. Pretty simple. Can't really mess it up. I wouldn't recommend using a drill. They can usually damage, rip them apart. I've seen people use drills and go straight in the wall. Yeah, we'll carry on, we'll come back. All right, as you can see, easy. No drilling holes, none of that rubbish, especially when you're going straight for the gyprock. You have to drill holes. If you can't put anywhere else but for a stud, you're gonna have to use what the company of the vendline has supplied, but that's the start of it. Now I'm gonna mount it up and we'll see how we go. Okay, installing one of these today. Vendline, indoor clothes hanger essentially. The thing comes with the kit is usually these plugs. Comes with the basic instructions. But today, I'm using these as I feel like they're a lot more safer. 10 kilos, obviously distributed. This is what I've done. So as you can see, I've removed the bars because it's basically impossible to reach these screws to put it into the wall. You get the template and stuff, line it up. It's pretty easy that way, but when it comes to this part, putting on the wall and stuff, you need to get someone to give you a hand as well. But the bars are down there. Just take them out. As you can see, when the bars are in, you're trying to, screw and stuff, it's impossible. Just take the bars out. The instructions don't say that, but you can easily slip the bars out and slip them back in. And yeah, I'll send you a pic when I put the bars back in. So this is what it looks like on the wall. The bars back in. Pretty easy. Like I said, I like to use the ram sets, screws into the wall. There's no drilling and stuff, but you have to go for a stud, and yeah, use the kit they give you, but I went straight for the gyprock drywall, as you call it. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one, but that's it for today. Just remember, take the bars out, then mount it on the wall. Top screws, bottom screws, so on. And again, this is what I used. As you can see, you line up the holes and these just screw straight in, and then the screw just goes straight in behind that. Instead of obviously drilling and hammering, they do give you a drill bit. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Cheers.